Hey there, content creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing tool that allows you to effortlessly convert your text into stunning templates using AI. And the best part, it's completely free. Let's jump right in. First, let's open up Chrome. Search adobeexpress.com into the search bar and hit enter. Once you're on the website, click on Get Adobe Express Free to start. Now, look for the Text to Template option and click on it. Here, you can write your desired text. For this example, I'll type in SEO Insiders. Once you've entered your text, click on Generate to see the magic happen. Now, let's give it a minute to work its magic. And boom! Check out the results. You get so many stunning templates based on your text. That's all for today's tutorial, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on AI-powered tools. Thanks for watching and happy template creating. See you in the next video.